Okay, for Norway, where are the people from Norway? All the fans from Norway. And there they are on the bandstand. The blubber belt of the first engine broke at, I think at 40 meters. The blubber belt was broken, we could see it from a distance, and then only one engine had to do it.